In this video, I'll be discussing microcredentials and how they can benefit computer professionals. While offering a microcredential focusing on Unreal Engine may appear to require a highly specialized set of skills and years of experience in computer programming, Unreal Engine actually uses a simplified coding language known as Blueprint. As Arabelle et al. Discuss in their 2021 book, Creating Games with Unreal Engine, Blueprint is a visual scripting language developed by Epic Games, the company behind Unreal Engine. Blueprint allows 3D modelers, sound engineers, lighting experts, and technical teams with very little program experience to quickly add programming actions to their assets, such as a visual effects artist being able to immediately see how their content will react in a scene. A number of TV shows, such as Disney's The Mandalorian, are created using Unreal Engine, which is discussed by Faris in their 2020 blog post. The show used a number of virtual sets and decentralized production teams who all work together through the use of Unreal Engine. For this reason, a microcredential in Unreal Engine would reach a large audience, not just computer programmers. There's also a number of other benefits for students by offering a microcredential programming that focuses on coding. The 2015 article, Microcredentials, A Solution for Time-Crunched Women by Mary Lou Sanderbeck discusses how women comprise only 26% of the computing professional workforce and only 12% of computer engineers, despite comprising 48% of the total US workforce. However, cheap micro-credentialing courses such as programming such as CSS, growth hacking, or programming for non-programmers and others discussed in the article can allow people from a diverse range of backgrounds, genders, and ages to pursue a career in the computer industry by enrolling in flexible, short, and cost-effective micro-credentialing courses. I have adapted a microcredential template developed by Blannon in 2021, shown here, to plan an outline of what an Unreal Engine-focused microcredentialing course would look like. As I've discussed in prior videos, the rationale for this course is to allow learners to transition to working in the multimedia industry, specifically through the use of Unreal Engine. As Sanderbeck discusses in their 2015 article, there's currently a skill shortage in the market and a great potential for women and people to transition to working in the career field. This leads to the concept, skills, and outcomes of the microcredential course. In this example, I've come up with 4 fictional units that focus on various aspects of computer programming, such as a basic introduction unit, a unit that features advanced functionality such as dynamic lighting and artificial intelligence, and a unit geared specifically towards virtual reality, as well as a unit focusing on how to work as part of a large multimedia team, which is especially relevant in the post-COVID-19 pandemic with many teams working remotely. These are just 4 examples, and as Hodling and Sumaran discussed in their 2022 paper, these units could be offered standalone or stacked together with other units to create a specialized qualification, such as a certificate or a diploma. The intended participants for this course are any learners who have experience working with computers, such as Year 12 students who have studied computer science, university students studying computer science or an adjacent field, or even hobbyist programmers. And as discussed earlier, the film could be offered to students working in the film industry. This brings us to the demonstration of achievement. Throughout the course, learners will need to demonstrate their learning through automatically graded quizzes and then create a portfolio of their work that they could show to prospective employers. They will also be granted with a certificate upon completion to demonstrate their competencies. Assessment and digital badging will be discussed in much greater detail in the next video in this series.